how to disable resharing your stories on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable resharing your stories on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite, and as you see here you will find your profile. Click on it and then click the storylines in the top corner, and here you will find settings and then click privacy. Now just you need to find this one, story, and then just scroll down until you find sharing here, and here you will find it. Here you will find allow resharing to stories. Now all you need to do is just click on it if you want to disable it, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.